You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.
So in the previous lab, we configured the receive connector. Now we are going to configure the send connector. Now, we're going to go through the same steps again, but this time this will be a little bit different. Click on mail flow first. Earlier, we went to receive connectors where we created this receive connector for neta.local. This time, click on send connectors. Click on new. And under the name, put in neta.local again. Select internal, for example, to send intranet mail. Click on next. And right here, we are going to click on add. And we're going to give the IP address 172.16.10.30, the IP address of neta exch01. We add that here and click on next. We're not changing anything here. Smart host authentication is going to remain the same. Next, the address space. This is where it is interesting. We are going to click on add again and the fully qualified domain name. So for this one, the fully qualified domain name would be neta.local basically. Now, because it is a FQDN name, we don't have to worry about the what's it called, the case sensitive nature of it. So that would work. Save. Next. Source server, click on add, select Exchange Server 02, okay, and finish. Now, similarly, we're going to repeat this process for all the other emails that exist there. So that is IBM.com, HP.com, and Dell.com. So let me show you again. Click on new. HP, let's say IBM.com. Let's start with IBM.com. Okay, internal for intranet. Next. I had a smart host 172.16.10.30. Next. Address space, fully qualified domain name IBM.com. Next. Source server, Exchange 02, add, okay, and finish. Now, I'm going to repeat the same process for Dell and HP respectively. So, new, Dell.com, internal for intranet, next, add, 172.16.10.30, next, add, address space will be, this one is, I'm assuming it's Dell.com, but in case I forgot, it is okay. I can always go back and fix it. It's not a problem. Add the Exchange server, okay, and finish. Yep, it was Dell.com. Now the last one is HP.com. Internal, next, add 172.16.10.30. Next, address space, HP.com. Save. Next, source server, Exchange Server 02, next, and finish. And that is how we create send connectors or configure send connectors for this. Now, you could alternatively also, by the way, I could alternatively also do this. You can click on this part here, and under the scope or under the delivery, I could add all of my other things here as well. So for example, under scoping, I could keep adding my new FQDNs as well. So IBM.com can be added here. I could add Dell.com and I could add HP.com. All of it on the same connector, making sure that I don't need these connectors again. See? That is the purpose of connectors and adding multiple things here. What I did was the longer process. I know, but it was important to show you that it is also possible like this. So make sure that you do follow the instructions in the book to the letter, and you make sure that you know these settings. You watch the video, you know the settings, but you do what the book says. I do not do anything that the book does not do. It's just that I do them in a different manner, and it sometimes looks cool, but in reality, it isn't. So always remember to follow the book and use the video for your reference. Do not follow the video, because in the video I am talking at a million miles per hour, and you cannot follow me at the same pace. It isn't possible. So keep that in mind, and I'll see you in the next lab. Thank you.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905 812 2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.